Why 90% of traders fail and how to escape it. 90% of traders lose money, not because they're stupid, not because they lack strategy, not because the market is rigged. They lose because they never master this: their emotions. Trading is not a strategy game, it's a psychological one, and most people don't even realize they're playing it. The big lie. When beginners start trading, they believe one thing: if I just find the right strategy, I'll win. So they chase indicators, signals, YouTube setups, paid groups. But here's the truth no one tells you. A good strategy fails in the hands of an undisciplined trader, because the problem was never the system, it was execution under pressure. The real enemy. The market activates two emotions: fear and greed. Fear makes you close winners too early, move your stop loss, skip valid setups. Greed makes you over-leverage, revenge trade, break your rules. And the moment emotion enters, logic leaves. A lesson from history. Jesse Livermore made and lost fortunes in the early stock market. He once said, "The market is never wrong. Opinions often are." He didn't fail because he didn't understand price. He failed when he stopped following his own rules. Even legends lose when discipline disappears. Why 90% really fail? Here's what most traders don't want to hear. Winning in trading is boring. It requires waiting, patience, repetition, strict risk control. But humans crave action, so they overtrade. They increase size after a win. They double down after a loss. They turn trading into gambling, and gambling rewards emotion, not consistency. The professional mindset. Professional traders think differently. They don't aim to be right, they aim to execute flawlessly. As trading psychology author Mark Douglas explained, you don't need to know what will happen next to make money. That sentence changes everything. Because beginners are obsessed with prediction. Professionals are obsessed with process. How to escape the 90%. If you want to escape the majority, do this. 1. Accept uncertainty. Every trade is probability, not certainty. 2. Define risk before entry. Once you're emotional, you'll negotiate with your stop. 3. Judge execution, not profit. A losing trade can still be perfect. 4. Trade less. More trades equals more emotional mistakes. 5. Build rules you cannot break. Discipline beats intelligence, every time. The hard truth. The market doesn't destroy traders. Impatience does. Overconfidence does. Fear does. The market is neutral. It simply exposes who you are under pressure. If you're impulsive, it punishes you. If you're disciplined, it rewards you over time. If you master your mind, you automatically separate yourself from the 90%. Because the real edge in trading isn't information, it's emotional control. Subscribe to Mind Over Markets, because in this game, mindset is everything.